Oh, it's a hot day. It's a good day. Good day to ride. We're heading towards, first stop, we're heading towards Sigla Post Center. Because somebody has to drop off Post as we're meeting her there. And then afterwards, we're heading towards towards the second episode of our food series. Yeah. So just join me in on the ride on my first vlog. I'm not really sure how to do these kind of things, so I'll just ramble on and complain about traffic and weather as I move along. So bear with me, please. It's a hot bike. It's a hot weather. All right, let's go. Let's keep. Okay, dude, you might wanna make up your mind first, yeah, before you. The brakes on the 999. I think the pads that were installed, they don't do very well when it's still cold. Okay, let me rev mesh the shit out of this bike first. Oh, it's a bit dodgy. The center of the lane. I suggest new riders to not ride on the center of a lane on a curve because you can see the amount of grime and sediments on the ground, which can make things a bit sketchy. Oh, we're powering out now. Second gear. I'm gonna adjust this down slightly. Oh. Yeah, so the thing about this bike is you'll be taking corners like this well in the first gear because of the very, very long gearing. And it can be a bit twitchy. It can make the bike a bit hotter. It does make such a big racket when I'm just like releasing and just allowing the engine brake to do its thing. I'm still on the first gear, by the way, guys. It's ridiculous how long the first gear is. I'm trying not to stretch the first gear too much normally, but running second gear on this bike on these small roads are a bit ridiculous. It judders a lot. Check traffic first. I have no clue where I'm going. 300 meters. The horde is coming from behind. Let me make the U-turn. As I mentioned, this bike doesn't. The turning radius on this bike is so horrible. It's so horrible. I think my underwear is showing. I'm both a noise polluter and a visual polluter. Oh my god, it's so hot, so hot, so hot. Oi. Okay. Oh my god. It's just funny that there's no regulations on car sharing. Who is disinfecting the cars after they're being used? That befuddles me. Oh, right. So she's here. Ooh, lunch. Start the lazy girl up. Oh, she started up pretty quickly. Oh, she's loud. She's loud. Sorry, guys. Thank you. Listen to that roar on engine brake, man. That's crazy. Yeah, so as I was saying, it's weird that there's no regulation on car sharing. It's weird because there's regulations for everything in car sharing. Who actually cleans up the car? Because I know a lot of car sharing, how that works is once you're done with the car, you park it at the nearest multi-story car park. Who actually cleans the car? Is it the owner's responsibility? Is the fall on the user? And yeah, I'm not sure if something is waiting to happen there. Just like the recent, you know, KTV uncles going to buy mango in Golden Mile and stuff like that. I normally wouldn't advise to ride like that and wait on the left side like that. It's a bit sketchy when cars come a bit too near. Yeah, but because she's, you know, she's a new rider, so she doesn't dare to move forward. Give her space and time. I would normally check traffic a bit better first before the hairpin sort of bend, and yeah, wouldn't want to go third gear on that. I won't get the engine brake feedback. I'll probably just roll out of the corner. See how tight it gets. Holy shit! I'm such a lousy rider. Oh, you know, in to share what I usually do on third gear. Normally, what I normally do to sort of rectify my trajectory when I'm cornering like that. Applies to both road and track. On the circuit riding and on the public roads is if you are coming in too hot or the bend unexpectedly tightens, instead of applying the front brake and panicking, what that would do is stand the bike up naturally because the bike wouldn't want to be leaned over when it's not at speed. It's just physics. And yeah, so what you can do is you can apply your rear brake. You start applying the rear brake gently first, and then if it's still not correcting your trajectory, engage your rear brake a bit harder and try to go a bit lower. Yeah, I know going a bit lower on public roads sometimes can be a bit sketchy because of sediments and stuff on the ground, but it's better than going to the next lane because you won't be able to check your blind spot in the spur of the moment. And or worst case scenario, hitting the barrier and on the outer side of the curve. So yeah, definitely, I think applying the rear brake is a lot better than jumping on the front brake. We're trying to get the mount on the Shoei working. She's gonna do it for me, and yeah, Dina's gonna do it for me, and I think she has a video on how she does it. I'm not sure. Oh shit! Son of a bitch! That was what the hell was that, man? Oh shit! That's an interesting looking primary school, yeah. Nanhua Primary School. Oh, she's behind me. Yeah. What? Son of a... Ah, damn it! She's faster than me.